Video for reminder for myself. Inside Sandbox, to remind myself how I add Chinese word into font list. I created an easy show code, so I just paste in and it showed the hex code. Next is just add this code to font. First, I need to add another box after symbol Y. Click encoding and click add encoding slot. I need one box first. Go and edit. Click element and click glyph info. Now I just need to paste the code I have into it. Having issues, so manually type. Now you copy the same thing below and click on Set from Value. There you can see the Chinese word pop up. Do the same and set auto width. I do not like auto trace as it hang my PC, so do it old way. Skip to generate fonts. As I recall, I can easily get the code from website using Internet Explorer, as when Chinese word are key in without Chinese, font will auto show code as it failed to display. But with current browser, it just showed Chinese Unicode, no error. If you have error, try edit and use transformation tool. It has a button called hit round. Transformation a few times, you can get error gone. Now to install and use char map to see the Chinese word exist. Great. Now I just need to update CSS to tell new version web font is to be used. That's all, thanks for watching.